Hey everybody, this is Mark with i-Blason. In this video, we're going to be checking out some iPhone 10 cases from i-Blason. This company makes some pretty neat cases for the iPhone 10 that not only offer decent protection with rubber around the sides, but a nice clear back so you can see the beautiful look of the iPhone 10. One thing I really like about these cases are the fit on them. The lock button is very clicky, it covers the button perfectly, and so do the volume buttons as well. They click nicely and there's plenty of room for cutouts and it's formed perfectly to the phone. There's also great space for the camera and I have no problem plugging stuff into the lightning port or the mute switch. They do come in a couple different colors. I have got clear and black. The black has a black rubber bumper around the side with a clear back. Then there's other colors too, so you don't have to get clear or black. You can get blue, bunch of different options, and I really like the clear back. It's nice and hard, so it's going to protect your phone while also having a rubber soft grip around the side. It's a great way to view the beauty of your phone while also protecting it. But there you go, that's it for this really quick review on these iPhone 10 cases. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions. If you like this video, leave a like and hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Mark, and I'll see you in the next one.